my dear students. Welcome to IT Online class. A warm greeting to all. I hope you all are safe at your home. Dear students, today we are discussing about a new chapter, that is Application of Computers. Chapter 7, Application of Computers. Today, we are lived in a fast-moving world where almost everything must comes instantly to us. In this computer era, we mostly depending upon the computer for make our life easy or make our task very easy and to solve the problem. Today, the computers are used in almost every field of our life. The computer have made our life very easier and have a vital impact on our society. The computers are used in almost every field of our life, like supermarkets, airports, banks and fast food restaurant. Likewise, we can see the computers. Wherever you go, whether it is a mechanic shop or fast food restaurant, we can see some technology which is based on the computer. It may be a cash register or a machine that is clean your engines. It is based on the computer, or that technologies are depending upon the computer. A computer made a vital role in our life. So in this chapter, we will discuss the important development brought by the computers in the field of education, transportation, business, science and technology, healthcare, defense, government sector, communication. Engineering and designs, so let's discuss about the important development brought by the computer in the field of education. Education. Computer helps in providing lots of facilities in the field of education. Computer changes the traditional teaching and learning methods. Let's discuss about some of the important computer aided trends in the field of educational system. That is computer based education, computer based training, online education, distant learning and online examination. Let's discuss about what is CBE or computer based education. Computer is a tool in an educational system which is known as CBE or computer based education. It is used to prepare a database about the performance of the students and it helps to analyze their performance. Computer based training, otherwise known as CBT. Training and development is very helpful for the employees to enhance their skills and ability. So, CBT provides a low-cost solution to educate many skills for a large number of people in lesser time at their own places. The next one, that is online education. Online education is very familiar to us. At the time of Corona pandemic, you also benefited from the online education. You know what is online education. So many website based institutions provide so many degrees and assessing their students through online education. Then the next one, that is distant learning. What is distant education? Distant education, which means students can get their education without going outside or attending any classes within the fixed time frame. He can get the education from in a distant way. Okay, so at most students can go to their nearby campus for attending their classes. Likewise, they can get the education. Virtual university setup is an example of distant learning. Then the next one, that is online examination. Online examination is very popular to you because you also nowadays you are attending your examination through online. Some of the international courses are conducting the online examinations like Microsoft MCSE and CCNA. We will get the result immediately through this online examination. So these are all about the use of computers in the field of education, that is computer based education, computer based training, computer online education, distant education and online examination. Let's discuss about the use of computers in the field of science and technology. The first one, that is weather forecasting. A computer helps us to forecast the weather and it sends frequent report of changing climate or changing weather, that is the flow of wind and temperature from different weather stations and satellites. And the computer also helps us to predict the natural calamities and it will help us to take the remedial measures to prevent the damages being caused by the natural calamities. Then the next one, that is space research. Computer has brought great development in the field of space research. Launching and controlling of space shuttles are being done with the help of computers. Then the next one is video conferencing. Through this video conferencing, we can communicate with each other from distant places. The other one, that is smartphones. Nowadays, we know that smartphone is become a vital part of our life. The operating system in our smartphones is installed with the help of a computer. The next one, that is robot. Robot is a machine that function or act like a human being. It is worked with the artificial intelligence. It is made up of thousands of microcomputers or chips and uses a computer system for their control. Next, let's discuss about the use of computer in the field of transportation. In the field of transportation, the computers are mainly used in railways and airports and for navigation system. In railways and airports, the computers are used to get the information about the tickets and for booking the reservation of tickets or booking the tickets. And the computer also gives us the information about the time of arrival and departure of train and airplanes. It also records the names and details of the passengers. And the next one is navigation system. An important usage of the computer in the transportation, that is navigation system or global positioning system, that is GPS. This feature shows a map which will track our vehicle's movement through satellite signals. So dear students, let's discuss about which are the uses of computer in the field of business. The first one, that is marketing. Marketing, which means selling and buying of goods and services. Computer is helpful to control all the marketing activities from shipping to distribution and advertisement to selling products. Then the next one is stock exchange. The stock brokers are using their activities computers, with the use of computers, which means the stock brokers can sell and buy their shares through computers. Then the next, that is bank. We know that we all are using ATMs. What is ATM? What is the expanded form of ATM? Yes, automated teller machine. Okay, the automated teller machine is used by the customers or the consumers to withdraw their cash from bank. They can transfer money to other accounts and can pay their utility bills online using computers. The next one, that is departmental stores. Barcode reader in big departmental stores to generate invoice and track the stock inventory with the help of computers. Let's study about the use of computers in the field of healthcare system. Today, computer is an essential part of healthcare system. Doctors and administration staffs are using the computers for recording the patient's history and for recording the stock inventory, etc. So, in a healthcare system, the computers are used for diagnostic system, lab diagnostic system, patient monitoring system, pharma information system, and for surgery. Let's discuss about one by one. Diagnosis system. In healthcare, computers are used to collect the data and identify the causes of illness. Lab tests and diagnostic procedures are tests used to check if a person's health is normal. For example, a lab can test a sample of your blood, urine, or body tissue to see if something is wrong. A diagnostic test, like blood pressure testing, can show if you have low or high blood pressure. All tests can be done and the reports are prepared by the computer. In medicine, monitoring is the observation of a disease, condition, or one or several medical parameters over time. It can be performed by continuously measuring certain parameters by using a medical monitor. For example, by continuously measuring vital signs by a bedside monitor. So, for the patient monitoring system, computers are used to check the patient's signs for abnormality such as in cardiac arrest, ECG, EEG, MRI, CT scan, etc. The computers are also used for pharma information system. A pharma information system is a system that has many different functions in order to maintain the supply and organization of drugs. Computers are used to check drug labels, expiry date, harmful side effects, etc. The computers are also helped for surgery. Computer assisted or robotic surgery has been developed to facilitate surgeon hand motions in a limited operating space. These devices offer advantages such as improved access, magnified vision, and stabilized instrument implementation. So, computers are also used in performing surgery. Today, we are using the computer for the entertainment purpose like listening music, watching movies, and online gaming, etc. We will get so many types of videos and movies from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, like that. So it will gives us entertainment also. So a computer also becoming a part of the entertainment. So computer is used for entertainment in the field of entertainment for music and entertainment, free video and movies, and online games. Let's discuss about one by one. Computers also open a venue for many amateur musicians in a music industry to record their own music without a professional studio. Computers also allow musicians to create artificial instruments to record music. There are lots of websites that provide free music to all the people online. They also provide free music files which can be downloaded or purchased through online. Videos, either as video clips or as full length movies, are one of the most common method of entertainment on the internet. So you can download and watch the free videos and movies from different websites. Online computer games are another sources of entertainment on the internet. Online game is a video game that is either partially or primarily played through the internet or any other computer network available. Online gaming is a fun and a social way to spend time. Online gaming has become a trend which is fast growing among younger generation. In fact, for many people it is a part of daily life. In earlier days, multiplayer online gaming took place inside a closed room with limited participants. But today, with the advancement of global internet, gamers from various parts of the world interact each other. Although the online gaming has some disadvantages also. When playing online game, there is always a risk of hacking. Players enter their personal information in online gaming for various reasons. If the hacker manages to hijack this information, they could use it for illegal activities. Then, playing online games for extended time period can also lead to addiction. Some gamers are addicted to an extent that they are forgot their daily responsibilities also. Online game addiction has become a serious issue that many people are struggling to deal with it. And it also concerned with the health problem. Prolonged time spent in online gaming can have adverse effect on your physical health. Online gamers often spend too much of time staying in the position without much any physical activities. The result of this can be seen in the form of shoulder and back pain. However, starting at a computer or phone screen for a long time can lead to various eye problems, including blurry vision. All this can bring negative effects to your body. The next field, that is government sector. So let's see which are the uses of computers in the field of government sector. A computer is used in government sector by the government authorities to expedite their tasks by using the word processor, spreadsheet and database management program. So in government sectors, the computers are used for the email function, distributing payments and record keeping. In the government sector, the computers are used for the email function. Emails enable the government employees to compose, send or read emails from others and outside people. In government sector, some of the government officers use computer to distribute payments to the people. These payments can be sent electronically like most social security payments. And the government offices also keep their records of documents such as different certificates, personal identity data, tax report, license details, etc. So, for that purpose, computer is also used. So, computer record keeping is essential for the government officers because of its accuracy. So, next we want to discuss about the field of engineering and designs. The computers are widely used in the field of engineering. One of the major area is CAD, CAD, that is Computer Aided Design, and it helps to create and modifying the images. The computers are used for the structural engineering, industrial engineering and architectural engineering. Do you know what is structural engineering? Computers are used in analysis for design of ships, buildings, budget, aeroplanes, etc. And it is known as structural engineering. Then the next one is industrial engineering. What is an industrial engineering? The computers deals with the design, implementation and improvement of integrated system of people, material and equipment in industrial field, and this is called the industrial engineering. Then the next one is architectural engineering. I know that you all know about the architectural engineering. The computers are helps in architectural engineering. That is, the computers helps in designing building, determining a range of building of a site using both 3D and 2D drawings. So dear students, in this class you have learned that computer is used in many fields of our life. Computer is become an essential part of human life and which will reduce the human job easier and comfortable. I hope you enjoyed the class. So we can meet in the interactive session. Bye.